Good evening, dears. Today we are going to start write our physics note exercise. Okay, so take your physics note and leave one page and turn to the new page. Write today's date and write chapter 1 and write the chapter 1 heading. Okay, and first Roman letter. Answer the following in short. First question. Wall paints are always in liquid form. Give reason. Wall paints are always in the liquid form so that they spread over the entire surfaces and take up the space of the wall easily. Second, solids have rigid structure. Give reason. Solids have rigid structure owing to the tightly packed arrangement of the atoms and molecules. Third, gases can spread out more readily than liquids. Give reason. This is because the kinetic energy possessed by the particles of gas is more than that of the particles of liquids. Fourth, gases can be compressed to a great extent. Give reason. The particles of a gas have large intermolecular spacing, thus it can be compressed and the particles can be brought closer. Fifth, the shape of a liquid changes according to the vessel it is kept in. Give reason. This is because there is considerable intermolecular spacing in liquids. So, when a liquid is poured in a container, the molecules come closer and adjust according to the space available. Seventh, distinguish between atom and molecule. Atom, molecule. An atom is defined as the smallest constituent unit of matter. A molecule is formed when two or more atoms join together. An atom may exist on its own or in the form of a molecule. Molecules are also tiny particles and too small to be seen with our naked eyes. 8. Distinguish between compressibility and fluidity. Compressibility, fluidity. It is a measure of how much a given volume of matter can be decreased by applying pressure. It is the ability of a substance to flow easily. 9th, what is matter composed of? Matter is composed of very tiny particles called atoms. These particles also club together to form molecules. Thus, matter is made up of billions of atoms and molecules. 10th, what do you mean by intermolecular force of attraction? Atoms and molecules which constitute matter are held together by a force of attraction between them. This force of attraction is known as the intermolecular force of attraction. 11th, how are the constituting particles arranged in a solid? The particles in a solid are packed very densely and cannot move around freely. This dense arrangement is responsible for the fixed and rigid shapes of solids. 12. Sponge is a solid. Still it can be compressed. How? A sponge can be compressed easily. This is because the air that fills their tiny air pockets escapes on pressing, causing them to change the shape. 13. Why do gases diffuse readily? The intermolecular force of attraction between the particles is very weak. As a result, the gas particles move about quickly and diffuse out very easily. Okay. So today you have to write 13 short answers in your classwork note neatly and send a photocopy. Okay dears, thank you.